walk him right here.
Plouffe on the first hop, sets, fires, and the Twins are back to the 500 mark. The bullpen with 4 shutout innings of relief, and Tom Hanneman don't know that the Twins. I know that the Twins want to get back to the 500 mark. They had an opportunity today and took advantage of it.
Dick, the Twins clinched their 4th series of the season. They improved to 8-4 at home with this 5-3 victory. Up next on Twins Live, presented by CenturyLink, we'll break down the